guys, it's me Savannah and we are going to be making Play-Doh. You guys, if you're brand new to my channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button and make sure to like the video. Okay, so we need to do 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil, and then we do 1 cup of water, and then we add 2 drops of food coloring. This is the food coloring. And now we're gonna mix it all together. Okay. Here we're gonna put the salt. And now we're gonna put the oil. And then the food coloring and the water. Okay, and now we mix it with our hands. It feels weird. It feels very weird, and I don't like the texture of it. It feels like, I don't know, it feels like it looks like bubble gum, but just wet. It has white stuff in it. And I found this on TikTok, and it said these are the ingredients for the Play-Doh. And let's see if it's true or not. And theirs came out good. So I think ours is gonna come out good. This was a complete fail, and look at my hands. They don't really feel so good. And it came out really watery, not really thick, but it came out kind of thick.
You want to tell them where you got it? I mean, it was what, TikTok?
Yeah, TikTok.
I'm telling you, it was a TikTok life hack. One of those little food hacks or craft hacks they do, DIY hacks.
Uh-huh.
And that was a fail. Look at that, it's disgusting.
Ew, it does not feel like Play-Doh.
Do you think Mila will still lick it off your hands?
I don't know. She would never.
What do they smell like? Oh.
You smell it. You smell it.
It smells like flour.
Ew, it smells. I don't like flour. Flour smells gross.
What? Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and close out the video.
Well, make sure to. Okay, and make sure to follow.
Oh my god. Alright you guys, so we'll see you guys in about a day or two. Thanks for watching this complete fail hack. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Bye.